Hi friends, today we are going to be doing lesson 2-6, the median. So make sure at the top of your page that you write the title of today's lesson. Now when I think about the median, I almost always want to say medium. So the median is the medium or the middle number. I want to quickly review the different other landmark data that we talked about yesterday. So make sure that you are writing down each of these definitions as well. We talk about the mode, which is the most frequent number reported. The maximum, which is the largest number reported. The minimum, you might think about minimum. The smallest number reported. And the range. When you think about range, excuse me, I think about a long range pass in football, and that's the distance between the minimum and the maximum. So when I think about distance in between, we know that we will find the difference or subtract. Put a subtraction sign to remind yourself the difference between the maximum. And I'm just going to write max for short, and minimum, I'll write mini. So go ahead and pause right here if you need more time, but make sure that you have written down those different landmark data. Now I am going to show you an example of how to organize data, and I don't want you to take notes on this unless you absolutely want to. I just really want you to watch carefully. After this example, you'll get a chance on your own to check your understanding. So in this example, I have Mr. Jackson's class got the following scores on a 5-word spelling test. I'm going to make a line plot and a quick tally chart to show the different data. So here, the different scores, we had 5, 3, 5, 0, 4, 4, 5, 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 5, 4, 3, 4, and 4. So I'm going to make a line plot to organize this data first. We had the number correct. I'll put here. So you have a choice of 0 correct, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 correct. And then as we grow, these will be the number of students. I'm going to use a number sign here. Okay, so looking here, we had one student got 5. I'm going to cross out as I go. Another student got 3. Another 5. 0. 2 4s, 5, 3 4s, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 5, 4, 3, and 2 more 4s. So as I look here, I want you to ask yourself, what is the maximum that they could have gotten correct? 5. The minimum that they could have gotten correct? 0. The range between our maximum and minimum, the distance, 5 minus 0, 5. And then, of course, our mode is obvious, the most frequent number reported. Most kids got 4 correct on this spelling test. So I'm going to use this right here to create just a quick tally chart. So I've got this still written on my notebook next to me, and I'm going to use this to make a quick tally chart. So I have number correct, number of students, okay, so I could have had 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. And when I look back at my chart, I had 1, had 0. We didn't have anybody that only got 1 right. 1 friend got 2 right. 4 friends got 3. 9 got 4. And 5 got 5. So I want to use this to find the median, okay? So the median is the middle number, but I can't just simply use these numbers here to find the middle. I need to list all of the numbers reported out in order. So I've got 1, 0, no 1s, 1, 2, 4 3s, 9 4s, and then 5 5s. To find the middle number, now that I have them all listed out, I'm going to erase my smallest number and my largest number until I am meeting. So 0, 5, there goes 2 and 5, 3 and 5, 3 and 5, 3 and 5, 3 and 4. And then obviously my median is going to be 4 because I just have 4 left, but I'm going to go ahead and follow that same procedure anyways. I've got 2 4s left. When I have a median number that's shared, I would add them both up and then divide that by 2. So that's 4 plus 4, which is 8. 8 divided by 2, obviously, is still 4. Okay, so now Mrs. Treach is going to come on and she's going to show you a different problem, and I want you to get your pencil ready so that you can check your own understanding.
Okay, boys and girls, go ahead and turn your notebook the landscape long way and write down these numbers, and if at any point you need to pause the video, go ahead and do that. 4, 1, 0, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 3. Here are the number of hits made by 14 players in a baseball game. Okay, so the very first step you always need to do in finding the median is organize the data in ascending order, so smallest to largest. So mark it out as you go to keep the order. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 3 ones, 1, 2, 3, 3 twos, oh, yep, 4 twos, sorry, I said that. 1, 2 threes, and 1 4. I'm going to go ahead and count, make sure I have 14 really quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I don't want to miss any of them. And now that they're in ascending order from smallest to largest, just like Mrs. McGuire did, I want you now to pause the video and mark them off from each end and find the median, the middle number. Okay, so I'm going to mark them off on my end. Hopefully you've already paused the video and done this on your own. And that leaves us with the two numbers in the middle, a 1 and a 2. You remember what Mrs. McGuire said to add those two numbers together and then divide them by 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Divided by 2 equals 1.5. Or you can just think about what number is between 1 and 2. And obviously, it's 1.5. And that is your median. Thank you, boys and girls.